Hi guys, help me to open this. Or help me to watch. What is this? I forgot about it. Oh, this is the Lancome. This is a serum. Clarifex. Clarifex? I don't know how to say it. It's just a French name. French name. So this is a serum, guys. Lancome Paris. This is a good one. Let me check inside. This is oh, this is looks like, guys. Oh, my face is gonna turn like this. We'll see and check it out in the future video. Alright, so that's all I can share for this one. I'm gonna start using this right away. Alright, so thanks for watching. Bye.